Guys, nandiyan na ba kayo? Hi guys. Chat kayo sa chat kayo sa chat kayo sa YouTube. Set up lang ako. For nila kung nandiyan na kayo. Meron 5. May ibang nanonood. 2, 3. Guys, punta kayo dun sa ano hi guys. Punta kayo sa YouTube channel. Medyo nagsiset up lang ako ng konti. Um, yeah. Tapos, nandiyan na si Ron. Nakahintay lang. Um, Meron lang akong isi-set up na isa. Saan na yun? Saglit lang Kasi re-record ko pa rin din pala to. Naka-record na ba to? Guys, sino na nandiyan na? Say present sa chat. Hi, N. Um, Kasi maganda nag-usap kami ni Ron kahapon. Maganda yung kanyang portfolio. Tapos maganda din yung kanyang journey. Actually, yung journey niya sa ano. Hi, RJ. Maganda yung journey niya sa, sa stocks. Watching from Caloocan. Hi, Annalie. Uy, nandiyan si Margie. Uy, kilala ko yan si Margie. Yun yung mga madalas, yung mga na gusto talaga matuto eh. Okay, may nahanap lang. Um, Sige, GG na to. Don't forget. Ayan, sige, start na tayo guys. Wait lang. Meron akong from California Maki. Pagkain niya na. California. Ikaw si California Maki. Kala ko. Saglit. Ah, Emerson. Hi, Emerson. Yes, nako, maganda yung pag-usapan natin yun, Emerson. Wait, yan. Taran. So, galing ako, guys, galing ang Pampanga with the kids sa mga pamangkin ko. Tapos, buti nakahabol ako. Si Ron na nakaabang lang dyan. So, I'll just set up some items. Guys, may background sound ba? Walang background sound, no? Background sound. Meron ba ang background sound? Medyo nalito na ako dito eh. Walang background sound, no? Background sound, virtual background. Ano ba ako dito? Ayan. Ano yan? James, maganda yun. Meron po? Talaga ba? Okay. Yan, thanks. So, okay. So, guys, start tayo. Share screen ako. So, this is a good maganda yung pag-uusapan natin. Now, so, ayusin ko lang yung chat natin. Chat overlay. Yan. Okay, start na tayo So hi guys, my name is Yusef, yung US Stock Market Teacher. At saka guys, nakascore tayo kasi may interview tayo na dividend investor. As you can see, marami sa atin na mahilig sa dividends kasi gusto natin may pumapasok na pera sa ating account. Okay? Yung flow ng ating usapan will be sana will be ito yung questions ko. Okay? Why do you like dividends? Siyempre, and then kailangan ba talaga ng malaking pera para maka-receive, mag-dividend investing ka? Diba? And of course, how do you pick yung stock dividends? Hello, test mic. Yeah. Sana mas nag-improve yung boses ko. Wait, check ko lang yung boses ko. Baka salita ako na salita. Wala, um, background sound, may tuta na iiyak. O nga, sa baba namin. Saglit lang, nag-ayos ako ng noise cancellation. Check ko lang check ko lang. Wait. Pauwi na kasi namin eh. Ngayon lang pinapakain yung mga tuta. Check ko lang yung YouTube. Okay na ba yung boses? Wala na ba yung tuta? sa likod. Wala na. Narinig niyo ba? Test mic. Test mic. Test mic. Test mic. Test mic. Okay na. Wala na pala. Okay na. Sige. Thanks, Melay. Thanks. Thanks, Annalie. Pinapakain ko yung mga tuta, ah. So, ito na. So, first, again, so, di ba, si Ron, na-meet ko siya sa, may pareho kaming mission, which is to help you guys sa mga nagsistart mag-invest, nagsistart sa stock market. Meron din siyang YouTube video, uh, YouTube channel, which is, wait, saan ba? Philippine Stock Pinoy Market. Ron, pasend sa akin sa chat. Chat, Ron. Anyway, siya na lang tanungin natin, okay? So let's do the interview na. Ron, are you there? Oopsie.
Hey, what's up?
Oh, hi Ron.
Hey
Oh,
guys.
kamusta?
Bear with me, it's my first time live.
This is ano naman, this is easy na usapan lang kasi may mga nanonood sa atin na really wants to know why do you like dividends investing and this such and stock picks.
Mhm.
Maraming curious eh. You do have a YouTube channel and meron ding may mga naka-ready silang questions. Guys as we go along sa mga nanonood, if you do have questions, i-note nyo or lagay nyo sa chat. So, pag let's say tapos na sumagot si Ron, magkwento si Ron, is pwede natin balikan. So guys, sa mga nanonood, tawag dito, ang inyong assignment is mag-isip kayo ng itatanong para sa Q&A mamaya. Okay, dokes? Sige, let's start. So my first question, Ron, could you introduce yourself pala muna?
Hi guys, my name is Ron. I started my YouTube channel and I've been investing for like I think 4 years. Yeah, since I started third quarter of 2019, December. So I don't think it counts. So I started 2020. Hello. I think you got muted.
Alam ko iba kang oras sa, typically you're not, alam ko wala ka sa Pinas eh.
Yeah.
Tama.
Yeah. Oh, it's late here already.
Anong oras na dyan?
10 p.m. already.
Saan ka ulit? Saan? Saang country?
No, we're in Aloha State.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, good afternoon. Guys, yung mga nasa Facebook, please do visit. Balik kayo dun sa thanks, Welay. So, yun nasa Facebook, join po kayo sa YouTube. Nandiyan sana yung YouTube video. Yung link. Kasi mas makapag-chat kayo mga pag-usap. Okay? So, my first question to you, Ron. Balik ako dun sa
Okay.
aking So, what do you like dividend investing? Okay, this is the first question.
Actually, so if we're gonna be like, if you're gonna ask everybody, if you're gonna ask everybody, they would you would ask them, what do you want? Like, how do you want to earn money, right? So how do you want to earn money? So right now, currently, so we're all working. We all have our day job. So like one way to like improve your wealth is to make your money work for you.
Oh,
I
yeah,
mean,
yeah.
yeah, I don't want to sound like I'm from insurance or something, but one way to make your money work for you is actually invest your money. I mean,
Yeah.
you don't want to invest. You're not gonna invest on anything. You're not gonna invest on anything. Anything like those people who are selling you stuff. you don't want to invest on that. You want to invest on cash flowing companies. So
Oh,
like,
that's nice. That's
mhm.
nice.
So you want to invest on cash flowing companies, and it looks like that all the viewers that we have right now, they know that investing in stocks or on like in assets that makes cash flow is the best way to make passive income. So for me, uh, I've looked at a lot of things to put my money in, and one of the best way that I think that my money would earn passive income is through investing in stocks, investing on companies that makes cash flow, and at the same time they return that cash flow to you as a dividend. So you would see on your account that you have a monthly recurring payment from those companies like Coca-Cola, Pepsi. So those people who are buying products from them, they practically apart. You're practically earning from those people who's like buying products from those companies. Or let's say you invest in Apple. So every person who bought like Apple products, you're like your money earns money from that sale. So if you're gonna look at it like that, so cash flow is one of the reason why I like dividend investing.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Actually, yes, kasi it's sabi nga, there are two ways to earn sa stock market. First is the capital appreciation, which is, wait, yun nga, yung pag buy low, sell high. And second is dividends. Ito yung hindi masyadong pinapansin. I did saw one, nakikita nyo ba to guys? Wait, uh, nagpala ako ng bilisan. Sharing, sharing. So, yung sinabi mo before, di ba? It's ito, here's a good picture. So company makes profit, company just distributes a slice of profits and dividends. Ito tayo guys, yung shareholders. Since siyempre, the more shares we buy, the more shares we buy, say, nakasikat is Coca-Cola, mas marami tayong marireceive na dividends. Okay? So, yun lang yung reason nun. Talagang nagbibigay lang talaga si company ng slice of profits nila sa kanilang mga loyal shareholders para maging shareholder. Paano? Well, another question dyan, actually, sa pang question dyan is, sometimes tanong nila, do you need, baka naman pang mayaman lang yung dividend investing? Kasi, yeah, baka kailangan ko ng malaki-malaking capital para magkaroon ako ng sizable. Paano ba ako mag-start? Baka naman hindi ko kaya mag-start sa aking, tawag dito sa aking, kaya ko lang i-invest or aking capital. Kasi sometimes it's, um, well, buti na lang may Gotrade kasi sa Gotrade, hinahayaan tayo magkaroon ng fractional shares, mabibili pa rin natin. And then, makaka-receive pa rin tayo ng dividend. So going back to that, to my question, kailangan ba ng malaking capital, diba, para makapag-start sa dividend investing?
Yeah.
Ron?
So actually, one of the to answer that question, it's a long story. Uh, to
When ka ba
it
nag-start ulit? When ka ba nag-start?
2019, yeah, to start, yeah,
2019. Nag-start
2019.
ka na
So
sa dividend investing nun or do you
yeah, yeah,
have it?
it's already
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
it's already dividend investing when I started. So if anybody is exposed to investing before, so when you invest, you have to pay fees like transaction fees like that to buy companies, right? If anybody is investing in PSE or in Philippine stock market, so
Saglit, sorry, natawa ako. Puro fees kasi sa PSE. Sige,
yeah,
sige. Alam nila yan. Alam
yeah.
lahat ng nanonood niya. Sige.
Mm. So so yeah, so one of the things that I hate the most is fees. I mean, everybody hates fees, right? So I look for a company that would let me buy stocks without fees. So that's the first thing. And one of the best invention like this last decade, I would say, is the fractional shares. So right, fractional shares, and then when I found out that there's a fractional shares, and it's something that clicked to me that how can I invest in stocks using this fractional shares? So I looked up a lot of companies. One of the companies that I found is Robinhood. If anybody is familiar with Robinhood, Robinhood is one of the pioneers of fractional shares. So so fractional shares is like it's like a part of a share of a company stock. So I don't have that much money. I don't have a big capital when I started. It's not like I have this big amount of money to just dump in stocks, right? So what I did is like I started with $100. So $100, and then buy look for companies, study them, and one of the companies that I bought is like Coca Cola because I saw. I mean, I drink soda and I drink Coke products, so I'm like, what else is there good to buy? And I saw that their company has been this company is actually paying dividends for a very long time. So I started with $100, and $100 in the Philippines. I think if we're gonna start with if we're gonna convert it, it's like 5,000 pesos.
That's nice. Five, yeah, 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 around 5,000 pesos. And of course, the same naman yung exchange rate before around that price now. And okay, so that's nice. So again, guys, fractional shares. Fractional shares nga, as you know, the typical definition is when you can buy stock, maging stockholder ka ng less than one whole share. Okay? So, before kasi wala ito, kung mahirap talaga, ay ibig sabihin nito sa wala, it means kapag gusto mo maging Coca-Cola shareholder, you need to have $61.53 exactly. Pero now, pwede ka bumili ng $1 nga kay Gotrade. And nauna to kay Robinhood. Alam niyo ba guys, fun fact, yung broker dealer or yung partner ni Robinhood before is si Alpaca, which is, you know, guys, Gotrade nga is, yun, partner siya kay Alpaca. Mas linabot niya lang sa atin. So, technically, pakitandaan to, guys, si Gotrade is bago lang siya, pero yung partner niya that holds the stocks is si Alpaca, which is mas nauna pa siya ng 1 year kay eToro. Okay? Mas nauna pa siya ng 1 year kay eToro si Alpaca. So if we're on the question of, naku, bago lang yan si GoTrade. Di lang nila alam yung nangyayari. Kasi matagal pa talaga yung si Alpaca. Naku, nauna pa yan. Natatnan pa nga ni Ron yan eh. Kasi interesting. Oh, nawawala na sa usapan. So nag-start ka pala sa $100.
Yeah. I did start with
Sige,
$100.
so paano
Because
yung, so sige tuloy mo, paano na nag-tuloy siya?
So, because like everybody, I mean, you don't want to put your money into a stock or into something, and then it's gonna be gone, right? Like I'm also scared. I started with $100. I'm like, okay, I could this is a money, like this is a amount that I can like if somebody take it to me, like if somebody take it, I'm okay with it. Like I'm not gonna lose sleep for $100. Uh, so so I started with $100. I bought Coca Cola. Yeah, I bought Coca Cola, and then I bought. So I think back then I started with three companies. So Coca Cola, uh, VOO, so an ETF. I started with a ETF, Coca Cola ETF, and also the another one is a dividend ETF. So it's SCHD. So I started with those three, fractional shares of those three.
Sasabihin ko nga na wag mo reveal eh, pero sinabi mo rin. Pero alam,
Too
actually,
late.
pero alam nyo guys, well, sa mga bago nanonood, okay, sa mga bago nanonood, itong mga stock picks na to and ETFs, nandun to sa group natin sa Discord chat. So go check. dun sa description below. I know nandun yung Discord link natin. And then, if not, you can visit here. Slash. And nilagay ko sa chat. We can visit on this link kasi there's a free membership dyan. Tapos, mabibigyan na kayo ng access on all. Discord chat. Pinag-usapan na namin lahat ng stock picks. So, pwede natin pag-usapan after this. So, sige, what comes after? What comes next pala?
So after buying those stocks, actually, it took a while to grow because back then, 2020, start of pandemic, right?
Oo,
Like so, everything is going down. Actually, January, everything is going down. Everything like it you would see on YouTube like, oh, bubble pop like that. Like everybody's losing money. So what I did, like one of the things that one of the things that I've learned is that uh, when it's cheap, you buy, right? So everything is going down. I just keep adding constantly. I started with 100 as I said earlier, and then like, oh, I don't have any money to add. I add like $5, $10, $2, and then there's this point wherein I only have like $1 to add. Like, oh, I just want to buy something. I just want to add something. So I just put like $1. I think I bought $1 Coca Cola. That's it.
that's nice. That's nice. So, actually maganda yan, maganda talaga yan kasi even though na hindi mo alam mo yan, hindi mo masunod-sunod yung $100, you still consistently do invest, put money, kahit anong makakaya basta madagdagan.
Yeah,
Diba?
yeah,
That's
yeah.
nice. So, may nagtanong nga sa akin about tawag dito. Ay, hindi, mamaya na lang yung question and answer. Okay, that's really nice, guys. But sa mga nanonood, okay, yung ginagawa ni Ron na if it's low, bibili niya, most likely, it's one of the stable companies ang kanyang nasa portfolio. It means, because guys, pakitandaan, it doesn't mean na bumaba yung stock, is bibili niya na agad kasi it's cheap. If yung stock na or company na binili mo is something na hindi maganda yung fundamentals, it means hindi pa talaga nakakapagbenta. It means something na hype lang. One, ano bang magandang example? Sorry si
I think
Alibaba,
yeah.
one
I
si
think
yeah,
GameStop is one. Like
naku, sige. Yeah, like GameStop. So GameStop nga, di ba yung nangyari nun? Skyrocket siya.
mhm.
As. Tapos bumaba siya since nandun siya sa what do we call this? Meme stocks. Yung hype ng pagtaas niya, guys, usapan natin. Gusto kong pakita sa kanila usapan natin. Balik tayo. So,
Okay.
sige, so guys, ito, isang lesson is try nyo pa rin ipilit mag-deposit. Kasi ang strategy natin sa group is weekly, weekly kayo mag-invest and try nyo pa rin mag-deposit ng pera every sweldo niyo. Kahit kukunti lang, try nyo pa rin mag-deposit kasi like what happened kay Ron, si Ron is literally testament ng ginawa niyang dividend investing, not high-flying stocks, not tapon pera type of trading. May nakita naman natin sa mga posts niya tsaka sa YouTube niya. What's your YouTube again,
Oh,
Ron?
you can visit me at Pinoy Stock Investor.
Can you type it in the chat? There should be a chat box on the right-hand side para makita nila.
Uh,
So on the top right, there's chat captions graphics. You see that? Or maybe it's just me. Or
no,
type it in. Okay, diba? No.
uh, one moment.
Wait, if it's not, there should be private chat on the bottom left. Bottom left. Or wala, i-message mo dun sa Discord group natin para
Okay,
copy-paste ko dito.
let me just do that right now.
So yun guys okay lang na bumili ng stocks kapag mababa. Kapag yung pinili mong company muna is isa yan sa mga stable and value type of companies. Oh, thanks got it. Wait lang Maganda yung mga content niyo dun. Share ko lang.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Ah,
By the way, I just started YouTube. Okay, don't expect that there's like 100 content in there.
Nag-expect kami. Joke. Wait, ayan, ito. So this is Pinoy Stock Investor, di ba? Asan yung, well, sa mga gustong sumilip na ng siguro port, yung sinasabi mong port, merong video ka ba dito? So they can watch
Oh,
it later.
not yet. I'm actually gonna release it tomorrow. My new
Ah,
video. That will be the breakdown of my portfolio to share to them.
so guys, alam mo lang gagawin. Ang gagawin is bumisita dito sa
Oh,
link and now click subscribe. Di pa nakapantay, subscribe mo. Okay, diba? Ito, click yung subscribe Kasi
thank
baka
you.
bukas or maybe this week, magsisend siya ng list of stocks. Maybe about dividends, okay? But going back, saan ba tayo?
Number two.
So, yeah, about, yeah, do you need that? So, nag-start ka pala sa $100 lang and then, tinatry mo pa rin mag-deposit and mag-invest in the $1 lang, $50,
Mm-hmm,
consistently, no? And then,
mm-hmm.
asa na? So, since if nag-start ka noong 2019, 2020 pa, 2019,
2020.
ano na,
December 2019, and then the like I started adding like January 2020.
oh, oy, guys, malapit-lapit lang yun, So, ano na ba, if you don't mind, kano na nangyari sa yung portfolio now?
Mm.
Naging successful ba?
Well, like what I'm telling earlier, like I'm adding like $1, $10, $5, just to buy just to increase my position. So and then my first dividend came in. My first dividend was, I think it's 88 cents from VOO, and everybody is gonna say, oh, you invested $100 and then you only have 88 cents, and I'm like, you can't expect like $50 earnings in stocks. It doesn't work like that. You can't rush things. You need to you need to start with something, start small, and then from that you're gonna increase slowly. Like this journey is like you're not rushing to from where you are where you are right now, and then you're not rushing to going to like going to having like 50K portfolio, having like 100K portfolio. I mean, you don't have that enough. You don't have enough resources to jump on that kind of portfolio. So you start small. So what to me, what happened was the first dividend I received is like 88 cents. So from that 88 cents, I reinvested it to the same. Actually, it's VOO. So I started with VOO. That's the first dividend that I received, and then I reinvested it back to VOO to S&P 500. So from that 88 cents, I bought like, I think, I don't know how much share or how much fractional shares did 88 cents bought, but that 88 cents generated another dividend for me the next quarter. So like you would see from $100 to $100 and 88 cents, and then and so on. So it's like it's like you guys. I think everybody's familiar with Warren Buffett, and then he's referencing always about the snowball. So from a small snowball, you don't you're not gonna start with a big snowball. So you're gonna start with a small one, and then start slowly, gradually picking up small snow, and then making your snowball bigger, right?
I see. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That makes sense kasi so may pera ka nga, yung na-receive mong cash dividend, instead of it buying it on another stock or maybe withdrawing it, you just buy the same stock again, Coca-Cola, kasi nga, the next dividend payment captured na rin yung reinvest mong cash.
Yeah.
So, yeah, like on the picture there, so starting from small, consistently ka lang, tapos nagde-deposit ka para ng $2, $5, as much as you can. Kasi yung
Mhm.
dividends na receive mo, nire-reinvest mo pa ulit. So talagang lalaki pala yun, lalaking-lalaki yung snowball. Yeah, sabi nga ni Rico, um, yeah, ni Ricky, compounding, nandun yung compounding effect.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's the best description. Compounding. Yeah.
So sige. So galing tayo sa sa small. Galing kang
Mhm.
$100 eh. So consistently ka. You do your best. You do have stock picks now. So asa na tayo now? How much siguro, if you don't mind me asking, how much dividends, around the range of dividends you're receiving now? So ano na ba? Ano ba yung situation na?
Oh
Guys,
well,
gusto
I
niyo
did.
ba malaman? Tanungin muna natin. Nakakaya kay Ron. Mag-chat kayo guys kung gusto niyo malaman ha. So proceed muna tayo kasi nakakaya. Di ko man na ipapasagot si Ron kasi nakakaya tatanong tayo eh. Anyways, so isa noon is si VOO nga. I'll share my screen. Guys, message kayo sa chat if you want to know magkano ni nare-receive na dividends ni Ron. Okay? Ha? Wait, magka-caption lang ako. It's, it's
Energetic crowd. Yeah.
chat dividends. Anyways, paano malalaman na may dividends? Sige, balikan natin. Paano malalaman na may dividends? Ron, paano malalaman na may dividends? Sige, nandito ako sa view. So, one is, una ito, dividend yield. Okay, nandito ako sa Gotrade. Well, what's a good dividend yield if I'm going to ask you?
Actually, that question depends. I mean, I can't just say, oh, buy the
Yeah.
highest one, make your money earn more like that. It depends. So if you're looking for like big dividend yield,
Mhm.
you should also look at how the company earns. So we gotta make sure that the company has money to pay you, right?
Yes. Yan yung common misconception. I totally agree. Doesn't mean na mataas. Kasi ito, una, sa mga bago, ito sa GoTrade, punta lang kayo dun sa stock na gusto nyo puntahan. Tapos, um, in 10 pusing ka lang to dividend reveal tayo kanina kay Ron. So ito, ulit. Doon tayo sa dividends ulit guys. So guys, para sa may nagtanong doon is si Facebook user, di kasi sali ka kasi sa YouTube namin. Doon ka dito. Paano to malalaman na may dividends? If you go sa GoTrade, may makita kang dividend yield. If this is may ano to 1.33% may percentage, ibig sabihin nagbibigay siya ng dividends. Ganito kapag hindi nagbibigay ng dividends. Um, ito NA nakalagay NA. Okay? And then ang natutunan nyo today, it doesn't mean na kukunin nyo agad yung uh, company or bibili nyo agad yung company na may mataas na dividend yield. Kasi meron ka pang sisilipin dyan na talaga bang kaya nila magbigay ng cash. Kasi again, ang ibig sabihin ng dividends, cash dividends is the company earns. And then sana extra revenue or cash and then they distribute it to you. Kasi may times naman talagang mangyayari sa company na it's not every day naman or every quarter, every year na kumikita sila ng malaki para makapag-distribute ng cash dividends. If they do that, medyo mag-red alert ka na yun kasi nasasaktan din yung company if they pay too much dividend, cash dividends, which is pwede siyang maka-effect sa future cash dividends na marireceive nyo. Okay? What is a good dividend growth rate? Yun nga yung question niya, no? Ni JC, yeah, it's a good dividend rate. Mamaya daanan natin yung JC. So balik ko na tayo doon sa ating dividends review. Kasi so dito tayo kasi yun na rin naman yung ating well guys, ito pala. On the sa kwento ni Ron. Again, yung kwento ni Ron sa mga bagong join, start siya sa $100. Tapos, nagde-deposit siya as much as he can every sweldo, kahit ano, $1, $2, makapag-deposit, makapag-invest lang siya. Tapos, yung cash dividend na nare-receive niya, binibili niya ulit ng Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola pa before, malamang iba na ngayon. And then now, okay, now, nakikita niyo naman sa kanyang YouTube videos, and sa mga posts niya, meron na siyang puno. Sabi nga ni Warren Buffett, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago, which is kay Ron, nagtanim siya na 2019, 2020, 2020-ish. Okay, 2020-ish. So, sige, dividend reveal. So, nag-start ka sa $100. Ano na ba yung situation?
So
Feel
nung
free
nag
to screen share.
so started with $100, right? And then the first dividend I received was 88 cents. That was like 2020, yeah, around there. And then mm, now I did posted like a picture like of my March
Wait,
dividends
saan yun? Sa mo pinost?
on
Ano
the
natin?
Gotrade
Group?
official. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Kung hanapin. Para makita mo. Sa group natin or sa community page?
Oh, the official group, the Gotrade official. There's a lot of Gotrade. That's why.
Join din pala kayo dito guys sa mga nanonood sa atin. No? Wait, Ron, kailan mo pinost?
um, let me check.
Rio? Ay, hindi. Okay.
Uh, 2 weeks ago.
Ron,
Yeah, 2 weeks ago.
screen share naman.
Uh, that would be
Screen share ako.
March 10.
March. So
Mhm.
guys, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-join, join kayo dito sa GoTrade US Stocks Active Group. Okay, kasi dun sa kabilang group medyo wala nang nag-monitor, nag-manage. So hanapin natin yung sinabi. So I have January 11 here. You posted about long-term dividends. Ito ba yun?
Oh, I think that's my first post.
March 1. This one? Not this
Nah.
one. February 10. Week's earnings. Okay, this is us. Oh, hi, us. So, Home Depot. Saan na? Makita eh. Anyways, sige, balik na tayo sa kwento.
Uh,
Saglit lang ano lang Nalilito ko sa inyo dito guys. Merong Christian Yema and merong Ron Yema. Hilig kayo sa Yema, no? Di naman kayo magkaano-ano ng Christian, no?
yeah, that's my brother.
Di nga.
Hey, bro.
Di nga.
Yeah, yeah,
Ano,
yeah. That's
ano,
my brother.
ano, so yeah, wait, medyo binubuli ko kayo Wait, yung Yema ba is your real apelido?
Yeah, yeah.
No.
Real surname.
Oh, okay. So I do apologize. So akala ko it's a nickname like Ron Chocolate or Ron Pancit. Yeah. Well, hi. Hi, Christian. Ay, pa-shoutout.
Yeah, shout out.
Anyways, may mga good questions dito. Balik tayo. Balik tayo. So yun. So balik na tayo about dividends. So we did talk about the snowball effect. Then, yun nga, start siya sa $100. So ano na ba? Ano na nangyari?
Sorry. distracting. That's why. So I started with $100, and now started with 88 cents of my first dividend. Now I did post a video, an image, last March 10, I think. Like, how much is my, for everybody that's asking how much was my dividend. So my March dividend is actually,
Can share your screen if meron ka dyan.
okay. I think I could share it here. Can we do it this way?
Okay, share. I have to do that. I have to activate. So, wait, got it. Ito tayo. Try to maximize. Nakikita nyo ba? Guys, nakikita nyo ba maayos? Try to maximize. Start with March na lang para ma-zoom in natin. Guys, nakikita nyo ba? Chat kayo pag masyadong maliit. But,
Let me try sharing it this way. Uh, I'll
share
send
it
it
to
to you.
me.
Send it to
Send
you.
it to me. Tapos, I'll navigate. Sabi mo na lang kung saan.
One moment.
Sige, habang sineset mo. So guys, join kayo dito sa, ito, check it out. Ito yung YouTube ni Roy. Pinoy Stock Investor. Just type it in. It's this one. YouTube, C, Pinoy Stock Investor, tuloy-tuloy. Do subscribe. Maganda yung content. And then it's all about dividends, especially for dividend investors dyan. Okay? Yeah. Tapos, let me know, Ron, if you're good, if you're good na.
Okay. Yeah.
And guys, na yung
Okay.
sa mga
It's not.
hindi pa nakaka-join, kasi I do have a membership which is yun nga, I do have SS membership. That's yourself para madali na lang. Okay guys, thank you
Oh, thank you,
sa release.
Chester.
So we do have free member here, subs. Feel free to join as a free member. I do send you, ito, binibuild up ko pa itong newbie roadmap, playbook, and starter ebooks. We do have the group chat access, which is a Discord. And we do have the Wall Street analyst ratings in sa Discord. For the subs, may extra lang sila, which is priority chat access, and then yung pinaka-favorite nila, which is portfolio checkup, papacheck silang portfolio checkup. So this is free. Feel free to join. Just type in like, wise. So yan. So yan yung sa membership. Okay? Wow. Thank you, Chester. Nakasubscribe na and turned on notification bell na ako sa YouTube ni channel ni Sir Rock. Guys, thanks, Chester. Follow up kayo, guys. Okay. So, balik tayo. Ito, nakita ko na print screen. Hindi ko ma-open yung link na sinend ko sa akin.
Okay, open.
Yeah, di ko ma-open eh. Send mo yung picture. Would a picture be good? Picture, ano? Or share mo na lang yung master that's Google Sheet. Share mo as view. So, let me know. Sige, send ka lang while I do. So, inaayos pa ni Ron. Ako muna ang magdadada ngayon. So, again, so far, sa mga naka-join, pwede nyo i-replay itong video na to. O pwede nyo i-replay itong video na to. And then, isip po kayo ng magandang gagawing YouTube live namin. Gusto nyo pa ulit? O, tanong ni John. Mayroon ba kayong data ng PSC at Gotrade stock dividends for comparison? But guys, next live namin ni Ron. I-compare namin yung iba-ibang stocks. So, kaya gagawa ko na ano sa Facebook try ko kumuha sa Facebook ng pwede namin i-live next time. At least may kasama na ako mag-live. Hindi lang ako dala. Dito ko sa GoTrade community mag-post. Sige, isip kayo guys. Ito guys, isip kayo ng gusto nyong i-gawin naming YouTube live the next time. Isa na yung recommendation ni Ron. Dadagdag ko siya. So, isip pa kayo, i-message nyo lang sa chat. Okay, gagawa ko ng poll ngayon sa GoTrade Community PH. Poll. Kita niya, nakikita niyo ba? Ano ang gusto ninyo na Ron? Ron yan. Una, ang PSE stocks. Dividend parts. PSE versus US dividend KA companies. Tanong kayo, pwede kayo mag-add dito. Ito kakapost ko. Message kayo nang gusto nyo ito, gumawa ko ng poll. Isa pa lang. Ay, oopsie. Gumawa ko ng isa. Pag meron, kayong gusto, ano natin dito, lagay natin, magpilihan. So, nakapag-send na si Ron. Wait lang, check ko lang yung message. That's nice. Oh, wait lang. Sagutin ko lang to, Ron. May nagtanong na importante. So, Sir Chef, be a member for your class. Ay, kailangan pa ba mag-regular sa Yeah. Register ko sa Gumroad app. Kasi mas nakakapag-send ako sa iyo ng this one. Mas makakapag-send ako sa iyo dito ng emails. Merong free naman dito, don't worry. Ang pinagkaiba lang ng subs, which is super cheap, 88 or ano, is siyempre may priority chat, and then I do send the list of best stocks, and I do have a list of dividends then, dividend paying stocks then, and I do have portfolio checkup and reseta. So, wala dyan ng portfolio. But again, we do have free. So join lang kayo guys sa mga bago. Wait lang may natatanong. Sir Chef, pool ng financial stocks to combat Fed rates. This is mamaya yan, meron yan. Tatanong ko ulit sa inyo sa question and answer yan, iPhone niya yan. Kasi may listahan ako. May isa pa content. Recommend an individual stocks na you'll get month if you invest every
Actually, that one, I did made a content not content dividend calendar wherein you're gonna receive monthly. That should be on my latest post right now.
sa
So
YouTube
yeah, that
or
one. You see that one?
this
You
one.
can too. Yeah, that one.
Oh guys,
So
you can start dito
there's a sample in
panoorin yan,
there.
nandito yung listahan.
Dividend calendar.
Okay? So, ito na yung sagot sa inyo. If gusto makita ng companies and, picks na that gives dividends. But, again, share ko lang if sa free member ka kasi, I did send you, wait, ano na yung ano ko? Yan. So, dun, pag nag-join ka kasi dun sa, tawag dito, nakano na ba? If nag-join ka kasi dun sa Gotrade, I mean dun dito sa membership, yung free people, free members, meron tayong listahan ng ETF dividend list. Yung kay Ron yata is companies and stocks, tama?
Mhm.
Yung sa'yo, company and stocks, I mean single companies. For dividends naman, nandito yung listahan. I did already send this to you. Okay, so lahat. Kasi hindi lahat ng stocks available sa Gotrade. So nilista ko siya, marami siya. For Subplus, doon ko nga lang sinama yung mga ETF na nagbibigay ng dividends. So if you want to get to that content, just get the Subplus. It's super cheap. No, it's super cheap. Anyways, so balik na tayo dun sa iyong um, kasi ang question nag-start ka sa $100, now sana? Saan ako titingin dito?
Yeah. So you see that blue labels in there.
Oh yeah, this one.
Yeah. So blue labels. So that was 2019. If you would start with January,
Okay.
like 000, see 00, the blue one. Yeah, that's zero, and then all the way in the end to December.
To December, $10.81. Oh guys, isa-isahin natin Yung 2019 daw, si Ron, kulay blue, zero. Zero sa February. March, 000 is 000 ang magandang na-receive niyang dividends ng 2019 is $10.81. So December. Sige, so moving on.
And that was the whole month when I mentioned like I started with $100 and then adding like $1, $5, $2 like that. So and then so 2020 came. Then now we're on the red one.
One. So,
So yeah, that the January I only received like 16 cents.
mhm. Oh, okay, okay.
So 16 cents, and then you would see that slowly
Uh-huh.
it's building up. So 16 cents,
Ah,
550,
5,
552, yeah, 19.17, yeah,
sige, 17, 29,
37,
yeah,
21, 67,
37,
37, 51,
still like this. So 50, yeah, we got to.
yeah. So what you can see in there is that there are like spikes. So those spikes, yeah, like you would see like on September, on March, you would
Saan
see
tayo
like the
sa dito? March. Ito,
I think
March yan.
try zooming out. Try zooming out.
Up, zooming out.
Yeah. More.
Hindi pinaka-zoom out natin eh. Let me change the...
Yeah. Yeah, that one. So you would see March, June, September, and December. So those are the
March, June,
yeah
September, and
December.
December.
So,
Okay.
so those are the earning season. So that's
Mm,
when that's when companies show their earnings, show how much dividends will they pay, like that. So March, you would see the spike from $5 to $19. So because companies actually started paying more for when it's earning season. No, not really. I would say companies pay dividends like March, June, September. Like most of the holdings that I have,
most.
yeah, most of the holdings that I have, like the companies that I have, they all pay March, June, September, and December. Like most of them.
Okay. So explain ko guys So as you can see here, March $19. Okay, ito March $19. Ang sinasabi ni Ron is sa 17 bumababa pero every March, June, tama ba?
Yeah,
June, September and December, mga ganyan times, yun ang mas marami siyang nare-receive na dividends. Kasi babataas din. Pero nare-receive mo yung dividends na yan And then
yeah,
remember guys, yung sinabi ni Ron before, itong $19 to nire-reinvest niya. Binibili niya pa ng, example, Coca-Cola. So talaga naman pataas yan, snowball effect yan. O sige, And so,
So besides the dividends, besides me reinvesting the dividends, I'm still adding on my portfolio. Like I still add like $5. I still add $2. I still
mhm.
actually the most the lowest that I put is like 1 week. I just add $1 each day.
Guys, mga nanonood, kayang-kaya nyo yan.
Yeah,
Oh.
$1 each day. That's like I think that was when like the March pandemic heights 2020.
So, ano yan, guys? Guys, work from home kayo ah. Wala na kayong pamasahe ng 50 pesos yung $1. Okay, wala na kayong pamasahe. Work from home tayo sa Pinas. So, yung 50 pesos na pamasahe mo, baka 100 pesos mo, mahal na Grab eh. Mahal na Grab dito ron. Ako, yung Grab car. Kaya pinipili ko rin mag-work from home sa bahay. Ah, ayun, i-reinvest nyo na lang guys kasi may mga natitipid kayo dyan. Ang ginagawa ni Ron as much as he can, nire-reinvest niya, nag-i-invest siya, iniikot niya ulit. Okay? So, if isipin nyo, meron siyang tinanim, talagang dinidiligan niya na inaalagaan niya yung puno na yan. Kaya lumaki at lumaki yan. So, sige. So, dito na tayo. So, wait. So, sige. So, 2021. Ito guys,
Yeah,
sasundalan
2021.
natin. Ito. So, sa
So
red muna tayo. Red. Makikita mo yung red. Pataas, 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 pataas. At mapapansin mo yung yellow, mas mataas na sa red. Diba? Sige, so dito na tayo sa January mo.
yeah, so from you would see it from 2019, like you're not
Aha.
earning anything. I'm not earning anything 2019, and then after like 2 years, I mean, it sounds long, 2 years, but not really. So after two
Yeah.
years, I'm not doing anything on January. I just received $20 from my portfolio. Yeah, you see, $20, and then February would be like I think it's 45.56 cents.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
and then March would be 56.48.
48.
Yeah.
Aha.
So and then April would be 25. The reason why it's like that because I only have like two companies that would pay April.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah, and then May. So you would see like the trend. It's going up like on the 2021, and then I
So
think the
ulit si
highest.
June, no? Si June ulit, oh, mataas ulit, oh. Diba sa March, guys, oh, yung March niya mataas, bumaba ulit ng April and May. Pero mataas ulit ng June. Pero nakaka-receive siya monthly. Monthly
Yeah,
dividends.
so that's my 2021. I think the highest one is I think it reached $80 on December.
December, oh nga, hindi nakasya sa screen ko eh. Yeah,
$82.
$82.65.
Yeah.
Wow, this is great ah. This is nice kasi well, most of the Pinoy is naatat kaya nagsusugal, so gusto agad yumaman. Pero this is a testament guys. This is an actual dividend investing. It took time pero nakabot siya na ano siya, as in consistent lang. Hindi na siya nagtitingin ng ibang stocks. Hindi na siya nagtatalon sa Indo, sa kung ano man diyan. Focus lang siya sa kanya ni research which is Ron believes na pasok sa kanyang style of investing which is dividend style of growth investing. Tuloy-tuloy lang. And then this is not even what, wala pa nga tong 3 years or 4 or 5 years eh. Meron
I
na
think
siyang
it's three
consistent
years.
income.
Yeah,
Yeah, also around 3-ish years pa. Actually, yung most significant mo is around 2020,
2020. Yeah,
2021. Yan, coming 2022,
and then
mas mataas
2022.
na ngayon yung green
Yeah,
mo sa yellow bars.
yeah. So 2022, I started like you would see January $38, then February 45, and then March like this month. Actually, I'm still waiting for one of the companies to pay. Yeah, so I
Shucks
think I will.
naman, bayad kayo dyan.
So I still have one company this coming 30th. So that would be that would reach my highest dividends.
Wow. Wow, guys, lalo na sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. maganda yung feeling na nakaupo ka na lang, naghihintay ka na magbayad sa inyo yung mga legit na companies sa US. So instead of you exploring sa iba-iba pa, iba-iba diyan, you can, just we can easily just invest straight, invest in value companies, and then dadating din yung point na binabayaran na lang kayo ng nila Bill Gates, nila nila sino ba CEO ng Coca-Cola kasi
uh,
stockholder ka. Yun
yeah,
lang, yun lang. Okay? Sige, so this is nice. And then yung ending natin to end this, well, this portion of this question, is yung pinaka last part mo. Well, yung last part mo is March.
yeah.
$74.31.
Yeah, so far March.
Maraming $74.31. Guys, may 3,800 ka na for that month. So that's literally an extra income. And if marami kayong naririnig na billionaires na telling you na have multiple streams of income, this is literally one
Yeah, yeah,
easiest way na makadagdag sa cash flow.
yeah, yeah. Exactly.
Di
So
ba?
going back to the first question, why do I like dividends? Cash flow. So you would see in there. I'm not even. I didn't work for those dividends. I didn't lift a finger for those dividends. They just come in.
Di ba? Hintay ka na lang. Yun ang magandang
Hmm.
feeling. Ah, okay, wait So ito nga yung questions natin. Do we, well, that's the second question. Then next natin is about stock picks for dividend investing. Mga iilan lang. Sisingit ko to later This is about Robinhood. Pero balikan lang natin yung chat natin. Sino ba yung chat natin? Chat overload. Kasi, di pala lumabas. So sabi, kasi nagtanong ako, dito guys, wait lang check mo yung chat natin, bro. Marami.
Oh, they're asking dividend ETF. Yes, actually, I do invest in dividend ETFs. It's on a different portfolio. So I have a ETF only portfolio, and then I have a stock only portfolio.
So, yun yung tanong niya. Do you invest in dividend ETFs? Guys, do you have any questions sa ano nyo? Sa natutunan nyo today? Kasi iniisa-isa ko ngayon, yung kasi nagtanong ko kanina na ano ba gusto nyong YouTube live namin ni Ron next time? Medyo marami. Uh, wait lang
Yeah, okay.
So,
I'll try answer questions.
sige.
Uh,
So nagtanong, topic suggestion na yung brother, dividend kings and dividend aristocrats. Dividend, what are?
so somebody from Facebook, I can't see you. Okay, I can't see you. So somebody from Facebook says, base uh, based on my 100 dividend, $100, how much is my dividend return? So my first dividend was 88 cents. That was my $100.
Yan. 88 cents pa lang. Start. So
Yeah.
nag-invest siya ng $100, yung na-receive niya yung 88 cents. Pero, again, it
Uh,
might be
so
small sa simula, pero nag-snowball effect
yeah.
yan, guys.
So you would be like you would see that that was really low. Yeah. I mean, it is low, 88 cents. It is low, but it's not about that because it's just you're just starting. Okay. So besides that 88 cents, I still have appreciation. So and then companies did buybacks.
Uh,
So I still earned something on paper that my $100 still increased in its value. But and at the same time, I received dividends from it.
topic suggestion. Okay ba fintech stock versus banks? Sagutin, Ron. Tingnan natin. Uh, Pwede natin pa.
So another one on Facebook says stock with monthly dividends. So if you're looking for a stock with like a monthly pay like that, I did put suggestions in there. but it's not a regular company. It's a REIT, so it's a real estate. So on my first video, yeah, that one, I did put two REITs in there that pays monthly. That's actually in my portfolio. So it's actually I'm actually a shareholder from them. And then I added three more stocks. I think it's Coca-Cola, Pepsi. I don't know what's the other one. Uh, Coca-Cola and Pepsi is also in there. So and then I put it on my calendar, and then they're actually paying monthly by schedule. So like Coca-Cola would pay January. Actually, Pepsi would pay January. Coca-Cola would pay March, like that.
Guys, so may nagtanong, better stocks versus retail commodities based on current market condition. Guys, sinagot sa mga bago pa lang, sinagot ko na yan kung anong sectors. Okay, you visit, saan na yun? Ito, check mo to. Ito, nasa nagtanong, better stocks. Ano ba mas magandang stocks? Yung retail or yung sa commodities based on market conditions? I did answer that kasi Russia war yung conditions natin. Check this out. And then I do have a live na in-explain ko yan. This one too. Sir, how to survive the Pulahan stock market. Okay? And then please do join this one. Again, it's send it sa chat natin. Just go here. So, nagsasend kasi ako dito ng emails din directly kung ano ba nangyari sa situation, anong sectors and industry maganda mag-invest para maiwasan nyo mag-down lahat or bumuhos agad, mauhus yung pera nyo sa stocks. Kasi not all, ito tip, not all technology growth stocks is favorable ngayon. O battered wife pa rin sila sa investing natin. Okay? Battered stocks pa rin sila. So going back, balik lang ako dito. Ito nilagay ko dito guys nandito sa Gotrade Community PH. Yung gustong yung YouTube live. Monthly dividends. Ito yung sinagot mo kanina ron, no? Base $100 yung dividends return, sir. 80
Yeah,
cents? 8 cents. 80 cents? 8 cents.
88 cents.
88 cents.
Yeah.
Question, sir, do you invest in ETFs? Yes. Well, yeah, nag-invest ka nga. Si
Yeah,
SCHD.
yeah.
Yo.
I do invest in dividend ETFs, but it's actually on a different portfolio, like I said earlier. Yeah. So I don't mix my ETF and my solo stocks.
What if prices for that company is going? It's still advisable to continue to invest in company because of their dividends. Pag pababa na daw yung stock price, advisable pa ba? I do believe magiging 2 oras ang usapan na to. Kasi analysis na to guys May
That was
papasok ditong company analysis kasi sometimes a price might go down pero you need to know, you need to analyze now either fundamentally plus technical analysis if the prices na pagbaba is temporary lang. Meron kasing temporary lang, pwedeng bumalik. Meron din naman na sasadsad ng pababa. Kasi yung catalyst niya or the news around it, it's abysmal and then maraming um, resistance. Again, sa pagpipili ng stocks at pagpipili ng company, piliin nyo yung company yung may growth with the least resistance. Least resistance. Ibig sabihin, yung mga factors nyo sa paligid, walang pumipigil sa kanyang growth. Hindi, well, baka wala tayong makitang ganun, pero hanapin natin yung minor lang yung naghihinder sa growth niya na hindi naman talaga, walang company, I mean, walang news, wala siyang kalaban ng laws, wala siyang kalaban ng regulations para mag-grow ang isang company. Mas maganda yun kahit saan. Kasi maraming companies dyan na yun, against sa batas. Si Facebook, di ba, against ano to? Yung sa data privacy chuchuk sa Europe.
sa Europe.
Oo,
Yeah.
meron na naman bago na hinigpitan na naman nila yung regarding dun Tsaka alam ko mawawalan din sila ng user sa Russia Basta marami nangyayari. Anyways,
Yeah.
haba na naman yung usapan natin. Balik na tayo.
Oh,
Um,
just to add to that question. So actually, so I would say it depends. Okay, so it depends on the company that you're investing. Okay, so you can't really I can't really give or we can't give a direct answer to that, for one, because we don't know what company are you referring to. So we don't know the fundamentals of that company. So if maybe if they're just going down today, like because of the news, like what Seth said, what if like a dividend company like is just on the news, like the best I think that my best example would be, so there's a shooting in, I mean, it's sad example, but there's a shooting in Kroger grocery. So Kroger is a dividend paying company, but when that news hits, and then their stock went down. So for me as a dividend investor, I don't think that catalyst, that news, will affect my investment decision. I'm still gonna go invest in Kroger. I'm still gonna keep my position in Kroger because I'm investing for the long term. So not just that daily news, that daily bad news that made the stock to go down.
so, well, guys, join kayo. Join kayo sa group namin, sa group chat namin. Kasi as you go along, matututo na rin kayo how to assess. If the catalyst or news is temporary lang, pero makaka-apekto ba siya sa long term? Okay? Kasi may mga news talaga na makaka-apekto sa long term. Example, yung nabuhay yung si Netflix pala. 'Di ba si Blockbuster, ayaw nila mag-divert sa
Yeah,
digital.
yeah, yeah,
Tapos dumating si Netflix, that's a catalyst na will really affect the long term. So, again, mahaba na ba usapan kasi analysis eh. Pero join kayo, ito lang join kayo din sa, uh, join kayo una, well, siyempre, sub kayo dito, nanonood ba kayo? Join din kayo dito sa Pinoy Stock Investor, and then go visit here, okay? This is, and then, kapag nag-free member kasi kayo, marireceive nyo na rin yung Discord chat group, ano, et cetera, et cetera. Doon kami naroon lahat. Pinag-usapan namin to. And then, I really think, I really do believe, okay, I really do believe, manood lang kayo sa amin, subscribe lang kayo, chill lang, matuto lang kayo, chat-chat lang. Malalaman nyo na rin how to, paano nyo malalaman yung mga bullshit stocks na, or yung mga nagsasabi dyan na, naku, yayaman tayo ron, bili na tayo ng ganyan, naku, ang taas agad. Mga meme stocks. Malala
yeah,
po mo agad na, hindi yan. Alam ko na yan, nangyari na yan before.
yeah,
Babaksak
yeah.
yan after 3 days. Ha?
So like hype
Malalaman,
or
dadating
something.
kayo sa yung mga hype na yan. How can I join the group? Good question. Asan na naman yung sinat ko? Ito, Ron, apa pala nito? Punta ka dito sa nagtanong, join ka po dito, bit.ly/rsfff join. Tapos may free member tayo doon, marireceive mo na sa email mo lahat na kailangan mo ma-receive. Okay? Siyempre, sub din kayo kay, kay Ron. Anyways, naka 1 hour and 14 minutes na tayo. Pero, meron pa tayong isang natitirang
One more
question.
question.
Wait lang. Sarap. Eto, meron pa ako natitirang isang question eh. How do you pick stocks for dividend? May problema ako, guys. Naka-isang oras at 14 minutes na tayo. And I do believe, if we visit ito, ahaba yung usapan. Kasi mag-scrutinize tayo ngayon ng paano mamili si Ron ng stocks. Diba? O paano mamili ng dividend yield, ano ba talaga. At ano yung nagpag-grow sa kanya, ano yung nagbigay sa kanya ng snowball effect. Kasi siyempre, gusto rin naman natin magkaroon ng multiple streams of income and then literally nagbabayad sa'yo every month. Diba? Kaso, wala na tayong oras. Okay? Late si Captain. O yan. O meron pang late. Pwede mo tong i-rewatch ha. So,
I think
ganito.
replay would be available.
So ito guys, pwede kami mag-YouTube live ulit. next week. Please do subscribe kayo. It's really important for you to subscribe sa channel ni Ron and sa channel ko. Nandito na rin naman kayo. Guys, subscribe kayo sa akin. Bakit Ron na? Ito yung kay Ron. Nilagay ko sa chat. Okay, it's this one.
Yeah, we do talk about like a lot of stuff. We share a lot of stuff. Actually, we're sharing, like we're just sharing. There's no one asking us to share, so it's like a free info for you guys. Like like watch on YouTube, it's free.
So guys, naku, alam mo, I do really suggest for you to invite your friends. Now, ihatakin nyo. Hatakin nyo matuto, manood kayong YouTube videos, matuto mag-invest sa Gotrade. Okay? Atakin nyo, mag-invest na rin sa Gotrade, mag-invest sa US stocks kasi marami silang namimiss. Oo, marami silang namimiss. Ito, marami,
You got really free.
parang ni,
Okay,
ay no, ay nako Paul,
okay.
alam mo,
Which
bago.
which one are you asking though? I mean, I don't know which one are you asking.
But anyways, balik
Um,
lang ako. So,
yeah,
I do really suggest na invite niyo yung friends niyo, atake niyo po paano mag-invest na rin. Kasi nga, sabi nga, mas maganda yung, tawag dito, ano yan? Um,
like, your network is your net worth.
oh yeah, 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 yeah.
So like if your network, if your friends, if your network of friends, if your network of if the people that you talk to every day is if the people that you talk to every day is like talking about stocks, talking about companies, talking about how to earn, it would slowly build your conversation, like your thinking to like, oh, how am I going to invest, and not just invest on like scam stuff. Okay, not to call out anybody. Not just invest on scam stuff. It's like actually invest in a high quality companies, which gives you cash flow. Imagine if you're gonna invest in we're talking about Coca-Cola earlier. Imagine if you're gonna invest in Coca-Cola. So every time somebody buys like Coke, you get a part of it. You get an earnings. Like you get like a return from that investment.
Yeah, I do agree. So, ano, at alam mo Ron, yung aking frustration kaya ginagawa ka 'tong libre, kaya extend most of my time. Kasi I've been, been here for 10 so much years. I was a US stockbroker too. And then nakaka-frustrate yung sobrang daming scam sa Pinas. Tas ang daming hype sa local, sa ganyan, kasi gusto yumaman. Kawawa naman yung gusto. So, asan na yung gusto lang matuto, gusto lang mag-invest ng tama. Okay lang, chill lang, dun sa right way. So, kaya nandito 'to guys. Swerte tayong diyan si Ron din naka-invite. Sabi nga ni Ron, your network is your network. Imagine guys, usap tayo about stocks, usap tayo about ganyan, usap tayo about business. 'Di
You can
ba?
ask
Yun
them.
ang maganda.
You can ask them for coffee. Yeah.
O, 'di ba? Hindi na kayo invite mag-coffee tapos bebenta ka ng products tas biglang ano 'yan? Biglang biglang seminar, oh, 'di ba? Yung kunyari grade school friend mo, "Uy, kamusta na grade school friend? Meet naman tayo for coffee." Ta's biglang, nanonood ka na lang ng seminar kunyari. Ano nangyari sa akin?
Oh, you had that too. Like I had that one.
Ay naku. Hindi, kasi ako naman kasi siyempre kaibigan mo, eh, sige. Pero minsan nakakakutob na ako, eh. Kasi alam mo yun? Ay naku.
Yeah.
Anyways,
Invest on legit business that pay cash flow. Even in stocks. So there are sorry, Seb, I just want to add.
yeah, yeah, go, go.
Uh, so even in stocks, so there are companies that actually doesn't have cash flow. Like they would be growing, and then they don't have, they don't have they don't have cash flow, and then they don't have a way to pay their dividends. They would actually ask for money from financing, like that. They would fund their dividends by debt. So like you should actually look like on the back end, on the fundamentals of a company, and invest on high quality companies. And as what Seth is actually saying, if you guys want to know how to like pick stocks, we're gonna do another live. If you guys want to know, just let us know.
Yes, yes, yes. So, again, sub kayo. Gagawa kami ng YouTube live ulit about stock picking. And then ito yung sinabi ni Ron is, di lahat ng maganda sa papel na dividend paying companies are good picks. Kasi may mga companies dyan na pinipilit lang makapagbigay sila ng cash dividends na di naman talaga nila kaya. May ganong companies may mga companies na hindi talaga nila kaya magbigay pero for the sake of paying, na sinasacrifice na nila yung health of the company. Siyempre, they have to pay. Alam mo, pag nagkakaroon ng dividend cut, for example, $1 ang dividends ngayon na declare nila. Pag next dividend declaration, ginawa nilang 80 cents pa lang or 70 cents, bagsakan yung stock. It's a big catalyst agad. So,
Yeah,
takot
yeah,
yung mga companies dividend
yeah.
cut. Anyways, so we're about to end. Do subscribe here, Pinoy Stock Investor, and then go to my YouTube video, YouTube channel. Subscribe there kasi we meron kami reminders dun eh. Kapag gagawa kami ng YouTube live, may reminders doon para bumaba sa inyong mobile phone. It's time na. Last question. Guys, question and answer na tayo. Hindi tayo abot sa stock picks ni Ron. Kasi tagal na eh. Pero nag-isa bagong sa next YouTube live namin. So question and answer tayo. Guys, magtanong kayo ng questions before we end. 1:30, 10 minutes, 10 minutes na mag-end na kami. Is fractional shares really entitled dividends or depende pa rin po sa company? Trade, ano yan?
I think it's in the FAQ.
Yeah. Please patulungin tong si help.hey Gotrade. Marami kayo malalaman dito. Ito.
Paul, so yeah, we do have actually we do have a group chat in Facebook, and we also have like Discord. So Seth has a Discord, so that's where we all like share ideas and everything. You could directly chat us on that one. I think it's on his.
Meron ba tayong link na masishare sa group chat natin sa Facebook sa mga walang
No, I
Discord?
don't think so. It's a private invite.
It's very right. Message na lang kayo guys dun sa dito sa atin. Dito, comment kayo dito below. Okay, nag-post ako sa next YouTube live namin ni Ron. Comment kayo dito sa gustong masali sa Messenger sa mga wala pa sa Facebook Messenger. Again, dun sa question ni Mark E. Ito. For fractional positions, dividends may not be paid, okay? Depending on the size of your position. If the dividend you are due is marireceive mo ng less than 0.01, kay Ron kasi 0.88 cents yung nare-receive niya. Kapag yung marireceive mo is less than 0.01, 0.01 is 5 pesos yan eh. Pag 4 pesos yung marireceive mo or 3 pesos, wala ka na raw marireceive kasi sobrang baba na.
You gotta add one
Okay?
more like 50 pesos. You gotta add more
Okay.
50 pesos.
Oo, dagdagan mo na ng 50 pesos. So ang general question ka lang dito, kung gusto mo mag-dividend investing, make sure to buy at least 1/4, okay, of a fractional share. Ibig sabihin 0.40, 0.25 dapat yun sa position mo niyan. Ito, may pakita ko sa iyo. Exactly like this.
I think a lot of people are asking that, and then I did show a formula how to calculate it. I don't know. I can't find no more.
So this one, guys, ito nakikita nyo 0.09 Kunyari, bibili ako ng VO. Para sigurado kayo may marireceive kayo dividends. Technique. Kunyari, 416 yan. Okay, bibili ka. It's either you buy one share. It's either ilalagay mo one share, sure ball na meron kang dividends. Or, ito dapat, 0.25 at least or 0.20 yung fractional shares na marireceive mo. Okay? 0.25 or 20 shares. Siguro naman di na less than 1 cent. Pero feeling ko may marireceive ko pa rin dividends. But as a general rule, it's always best kung pipili ka ng dividends, i-focus mo muna yung pera mo doon para makapag one share ka, one whole share, okay? Makapag one whole share ka. Instead of ikakalat mo sa maraming dividend companies. Yes. Tanong ni Ronald, Paul Ronald, is may group chat po ba kayo? Yes. Join ka po again dito. Lalabas lahat dito. So, join ka dito, Ronald, Paul. Send ko yung link sa chat. Pwede ba mag-reply sa reply? Okay. Yan. May free dito, may free. Ay, dito lang nakashare. Ha? Sinend ko. Join ka dito. May free dito, free one. Marireceive mo na yung links. Lahat ng links. Okay? Lahat ng links kailangan ibig ng group chat. So, patapos na ako guys. If you do have questions, chat nyo na. Saan ba tayo? So, yun na.
I saw this one from Chester Chanko. They said Home Depot, one of the best company. It's a good way, good dividends. Yeah. Sorry, I went all the way back.
So, we're about to end. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Again, I do really suggest to join the group. Kasi, sabi nga ni Ron, your network is your network. Kasi, usap-usap. Instead of mag-usap tayo ng, di ba, kung anong chismis dyan ni Marites. Marites, kumusta na yung anak ni ano, bahay natin. Kasi yun ang pag-usapan nyo. Pag-usapan yung stocks, di ba? Usap ka
Yeah.
insurance. Pero ano bang MP2? O ano ba yung may bagong ano yung government investing strategy or may bagong video si Ron about dividends. May bagong company. May si Tesla, may bagong produkto. Maganda yung pinag-uusapan natin yung ikakaunlad at ikaka-level up ng ating, pamumuhay to achieve
Yeah.
financial independence. And, ito yung gusto ko nakita eh. Great minds talk about ideas. Average man talk about events. Small minds talk about people. So, level up tayo guys. Join kayo sa amin. It's fun. Mostly it's free. And that's all for me. I think wala nang question. Do you have any, may outro, anything you want to say to the audience, to the people?
Okay. Since I have the floor, shameless plug. I'm gonna release a video. I think tomorrow. I don't know. Still editing the video, but should be out soon. You would see my portfolio in there. So if you guys are interested, it's in there. Also, I try to subscribe to both Seth and me because we provide info. Like it's a free info actually in YouTube. So you would see there, you would see videos of there, like you would get a lot. So that, and keep investing.
Testing guys, salamat and salamat. Bye guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ganda namin.